Figueroa. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate these pre-made treats into an Alice in Wonderland theme treats. I'm going to start off by making royal frosting, which I got one egg white that I let set for room temperature, and I mixed it with 3 cups of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of water, and I mixed purple food coloring gel in with it. Then I got these pre-made cookies and I just wrote the word "Eat Me" on it, like the cookies say in the movie Alice in Wonderland. Then I'm going to go ahead and let them sit and dry for about 2 hours so that the frosting is firm and won't run.